Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing math sums. Are you ready? Great! Look at this. Left side we have 1 and the right side we have 2. 1 plus 2 equal. Okay. 1 plus 2 equal. Okay. So left side we have 1. Number 1. So one line below 1. Look at this. And the right side we have 2. Number 2. So 2 lines below 2. 1 and 2. Great. Let's count all together. 1, 2, 3. Great. Repeat with me. 1, 2, 3. Great. Number 3 is here. Hello, Mr. 3. 3. 1 plus 2 equal 3. Great. 1 plus 3 equal. Left side we have 1. So, 1 line below 1 plus. So, right side we have 3. 1, 2, 3. So 3 lines below 3. 1 plus 3 equal. Let's count all together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 1 plus 3 equal 4. Look, left side we have 2. So 2 lines below 2. 1, 2. Right side we have 1. So 1 line below 1. Let's count all together. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3. 3. 2 plus 1 equal 3. 3. Next, look at this sum. Left side we have 3 and the right side we have 4. Okay, left side we have 3. So 3 lines below 3. 1, 2, 3. Alright. And the right side we have 4. So 4 lines below 4. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, done? Let's count all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Great. 7 is here. 7. 3 plus 4 equals 7. 3 plus 4 equals 7. Next, left side we have 2. Number 2. And the right side we have 3. Okay, don't worry. Left side we have 2. 1, 2. 2 lines below 2. Alright? And the right side we have 3. So 3 lines below 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Let's count all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 5. 5. 2 plus 3 equal 5. Look at this sum. Left side we have. Yes, you are right. Number 4. And the right side we have. Yes, 1. Number 1. Okay. So left side we have 4. So 4 lines below 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright? And the right side we have 1. So one line below 1. Okay? Let's count all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 5. 4 plus 1 equal 5. Great! Look at this sum. 7 plus 2. Okay? 7 plus 2. Left side we have 7. So 7 lines below 7. Alright? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the right side we have 2. So 2 lines below 2. 1, 2. Done? Okay, let's count all together. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8, 9. 9. Okay? 9. Number 9 is here. 7 plus 2 equal 9. Next, 6 plus 2. 6. Left side we have? Yes, you're right. Number 6. So 6 lines below 6. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Done? And the right side we have 2. Okay? So 2 lines below 2. 1, 2. Let's count all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. 8. 6 plus 2 equal 8. Okay, next 7 plus 2 equal, don't worry, 7. Number 7. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. 7 lines below 7. Number 2. 1, 2. 2 lines below 2. 7 plus 2. Let's count all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Great! Number 9. 9. 7 plus 2 equal 9. Great! Next, 3 plus 3 equal. Okay, so draw the 3 lines below 3. 1, 2, 3. It's so easy. And the right side we have 3. So draw the 3 lines below 3. 1, 2, 3. Alright, let's count all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Number 6 is here. 6. 3 plus 3 equals 6. 3 plus 3 equal 6. Great. Next, 2 plus 2. Left side we have 2 and the right side we have 2. 2 plus 2. So draw the 2 lines below 2. 1, 2. Alright. And the right side we have 2. So draw the 2 lines below 2. Let's count all together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Number 4. 2 plus 2 equal 4. Next, 5 plus 2 equal. Alright. Left side we have 5 and the right side we have 2. So left side we have 5. To draw the 5 lines below 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Done? Okay. And the right side we have 2. So draw the 2 lines below 2. Look at this. 1, 2. Alright? Let's count all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Repeat with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Great. Hello, number 7. 7. 5 plus 2 equals 7. Great. Next, left side we have 7 and the right side we have 3. 7 plus 3 equal. Okay. Left side we have 7. Draw the 7 lines below 7. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good. And the right side we have 3. Great. So 3 lines below 3. 1, 2, 3. Alright. Let's count all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great. Repeat with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job, kids. Number 10 is here. 7 plus 3 equal 10. 7 plus 3 equal 10. Great. Bye-bye. Subscribe for more updates.